Hey everyone, this video is going to be about my August income report with Amazon KDP. So first I figured I would start with ads. I don't actually run ads. So I changed this to lifetime, which means the amount of time I've been on Amazon KDP so far. And the only time I've ever run ads was December 2021 and February 2022. And I didn't really run them. I only spent $1.01 total, and I didn't make any sales, and yeah, I didn't want to keep doing them. So that's literally the only time I've ever run ads with KDP so far. Oh no, it's like March 1st. I might have had 6 impressions, so maybe I ran something. I'm not sure. But for the past few months, I have not run ads at all. I have no campaigns going. So I just want to be transparent about that. So my orders and royalties might shock you now that you know that. So moving right into my orders, I had 92 units ordered for August 2022. Very excited about this. This is by far the best month I've had with KDP to this date, and it's more orders than I had the previous month. I currently have 202 books. I'm not sure if all of those are live. I have unpublished some. And I get an order almost every single day. And then moving on to my royalties estimator, I'm at $204.51. So that is pretty much almost double from last month. And I am just so excited about that. That's incredible. Very, very happy. And looking at my old reports, just to see my best day, I sold 6 units. And it looks like I had 3 different days that I sold 6 units. And then I had some 5s. It was kind of sporadic. I only had, it looks like 3 days where I didn't make any sales, but that's perfectly fine. And looking at the different countries here, the most sales I got were in the US, which makes sense. That's usually where I get the most sales, and that's where I'm currently located in. And then the UK had a lot, and then kind of spread out through some other countries. But to give you guys an idea of what books I actually sold, I sold mostly scrapbook paper. I also sold coupon books, and I believe it was one coupon book that sold twice. And then I also sold some composition notebooks. But scrapbook paper definitely was my main seller for the month. So super thankful for that. And let me just show you what has changed my business, because if you've been following me for a while, you know that I haven't always been successful with KDP, and I recently started gaining success. So let me show you my lifetime and then tell you what I did so that you can do this too. So looking at my lifetime, you can see here that for most of the time I haven't made that many sales. Until July and August of this year, I really haven't gone over like 20 something sales. I think my highest was like 22 before then. And then come July, I made almost 60. And then come August, I've made 92. So what really has changed the game for me was the passive income accelerator program. So I'm just going to give you guys an idea of what that looks like. I have a link to it in my bio, and I did not create this program. The person who runs the passive income templates YouTube, her name is Laura. She actually created this program, and I'm an affiliate, but I just want to give you an idea of what's in the program. So let me give you a quick little sneak peek as to what's inside. So once you purchase the passive income accelerator program, you'll have access to all of the different modules. And what she has here is literally a step-by-step process to be successful. And she focuses on the organic sales method, which is why I don't run ads. I don't really have any interest in ads. It's really complicated to me, and I always get worried about spending money and not being able to get it back. Plus, I don't have a lot of money up front to spend. So if you're especially looking for a cost-effective way, then organic sales is the way to go, in my opinion. So she has a ton of different modules, lots of videos, PDFs, documents, resources, a Facebook page where you can ask questions, and she also posts more information in there. But she really goes through it step by step. She goes through her own organic sales method, how to create ideas, how to do all of the research, validating niches, how to do keywords, descriptions, and then she does design, how you design the interior, how you design the cover, what works, what doesn't, and then upload. So literally walks through every single part of uploading your book. And then she has additional resources and then a bonus full, which is awesome. She shows you literally how to create a book from start to finish. And this program I bought in the middle of June. So you can see that is what has changed my business. Like, obviously, I've also watched other YouTube videos and I've been working really hard and put in a lot of effort. So I didn't go into the program with absolutely no knowledge of KDP, but fine tuning different parts of my business, I think, is really what has had a huge impact on my success here. So I truly believe that that program is what has changed my business, and it's paid for itself already. It paid for itself within a month or so of me joining the business, and my income reports just show it. I bought it in middle of June, and since then my reports have definitely increased, and I am very, very thankful for that and very excited. She also has a 14-day do the work money back guarantee. So if for some reason the program doesn't work for you or you don't like it and you've done the work, you don't see the results, you will get your money back. So it's not like there's a huge risk in doing it either. So I really hope this was helpful and I hope that it was inspiring. I don't want to discourage anybody. We all start somewhere, and I am still by no means some sort of expert at this, and I'm not making thousands of dollars a month, but to me an extra $200 a month is really life changing. I mean, that's just a good amount of money, especially in the times right now with how inflation is. Like, if that can pay for my gas for the month or something like that, like, I will 100% take it. And a lot of this is passive income. I think I created 3 or so books in August this year. So the rest I already had. So to me, at that point, it's now considered passive income. So I'm really excited about this month, and I'm very excited for Q4. My goals are to keep creating some more books, keep creating YouTube videos. So let me know how I can help you guys out. And I hope that this video was helpful in some way. So thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope you have a great day.